Lesson 10. Record even when embarrassed. My face get red when I am on camera. My voice shakes sometimes. For a long time that made me stop recording. I thought embarrassment meant I was not ready. But here is what I learned. Those physical signs, red face, shaky voice, sweaty hand, they are not failure. They are just data. They mean my body is reacting to something new. So today I kept recording even when I felt embarrassed. What recording yourself for 20 or 30 seconds. Don't hide your nervousness. Let your face be red, let your voice shake if it happens. Just keep speaking about anything, like I am feeling awkward right now, but I am not stopping. That was uncomfortable, but I did not stop. That that's the real win. Showing off even when it's awkward. It builds emotional resilience. Fear doesn't get to decide when I stop anymore. I do. Next time you feel embarrassed on camera, stay, stay for 10 more seconds. Then tell me in the comment what did you feel.